Welcome to Bulk by Simultem. Bulk allows you to copy, modify or delete rate plans, unit groups, units, company profiles, services, cancellation profiles or no-show policies in bulk. So you don't need to do all that clicking around to create or modify them one by one, but you can just do a whole bunch in one go. To get started, let's click here, start free trial. It'll take us inside Apaleo. Bulk works inside Apaleo just fine. But here in the small laptop screen, it's a little cramped. We could expand like this, but I will rather open the whole thing full in a new tab like this. Now, to run an example, let's copy a rate plan. Let's choose Hotel München, and in there, double room, and then a funny looking rate plan, which probably does not exist in another hotel, like for example, this one here. Then let's choose a target hotel. Let's go to London. And in there, let's choose a different sounding room type, family, and see some settings. Matching cancellation policies exactly is usually not necessary. It's still going to find the closest matching policy with the cancellation window and penalty fee being relevant. There are details like service cancellation fees, which might differ from property to property, even if the cancellation policy has the same code and the same basic details. So I shall not use the exact match requirement. Here you can choose to create any missing elements, cancellation policies, companies or services that the original rate plan had tagged to it, but the target property doesn't have. Now, to get going, let's agree to terms and conditions and see here the review. So we are copying from München, Apaleo CQ of double room, and we shall be creating the same code in Hotel London in family room. Let's submit and wait for it to contact the back end, where we have quite a machinery that will identify all kinds of setting comparisons, whereby if Hotel München has one kind of settings for rate plans, it'll try to find the same matching kind from Hotel London, and whenever it cannot find an exact match, it'll go with a rough match. Now it has created the rate plan, and it has run 3 steps instead of 1 because it needed to copy the rate plan and then insert some kind of rates. If the original was a linked rate plan, like a child rate plan, then the target would also get that same linkage. But if it's a master rate plan, or alternatively there is no master rate plan with the same code as there was in the origin hotel, then the target is just going to get dummy rates. It needs to have some kind of rates to be usable. And then also the third action here required is restrictions like minimum nights. They need to be inserted as well. Okay. Now to modify, let's look for the same rate plan that we just created from Hotel London, family room. Here we go. And let's, for example, edit its channel code. Right now it has direct and IPE. Let's add channel manager. We could also choose to, let's say, remove instead of replace. But here let's just replace the original list of channel codes, direct and IBE with this new list where we add channel manager in there. And let's agree on terms and conditions, have a final review. So in this rate plan, in the field of channel codes, we originally had direct and IBE, and now we are proposing to add channel manager in there. Let's submit. That was quick because no major backend machinery needed here. And finally, let's try to delete what was just created. So Hotel London, family room, Apaleo CQ. And again, terms and conditions. Final review says that this is the rate plan we are about to delete. Let's go for it. Again, here, no need to make major comparison between, let's say, two hotels to find matching settings, so it's all quick. All right. Here you have all kinds of other types of data that can be worked with. So for example, one could go to modify services, and if we choose this one here, you can edit its availability, so on and so forth. Finally, logs here will show what we just did. So we have Apaleo CQ copied over, and then you can see the modification logs as well for the channel manager addition like this. All right. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.